What's up, Star Wars fans? This is Strider Prime bringing you another edition of ForceBuilders, and today I am going to build this kit. The 1/44 scale Death Star attack set from Star Wars A New Hope movie. This came out last year, along with a lot of Star Wars kits that I got, and I can't wait to build also. But I thought, let me just start working on this guy, because this actually is the neatest build I've seen so far. Lately, of course, Bandai has been releasing, their set of 144 scale, 148 scale, and maybe even I think of 172nd scale kits. No, yeah, they do make 172nd scale kits, but the 144 scale kits are pretty nice. And when I saw the attack set, I said, you know what, that's ingenious. Make a little scene, during the battle, the Battle of Hoth, where you can replicate that iconic moment where the X-wing and the TIE fighters are fighting, and of course they're going down the trench, and then fire their torpedoes in it. So that's actually ingenious in Bandai's part to do something like this. You don't normally see that many people actually taking like classic kits and doing this, but they were able to do it on this in a small little scale. It is an expensive kit when I purchased it. It's close to 40 bucks, but I can remember, this is Bandai. This is not Revell. This is Bandai that put a lot of effort into, the meticulous detail and intricacy of how this kit will look. It has to be always accurate. So, yeah, I got this at Comic-Con last year, and I was like, wow, the box art is cool. I kind of like that, but all the details right here, as you can see. I believe these use the original stands, or like a combination of stands that you get when you buy the 142nd scale or the 144 scale kits, and then they just merge them together to form this, which is still good. I kind of like that. You have all the features here. It's all unique. You have the massive turbo laser firing down the trench. The X-wing, you do get an X-wing starfighter to complete the set. You also have the actual opening, all that stuff. Now, clearly, this has all those features where if you have more of these sets, you can actually make a long, the infamous long trench run. So I wouldn't be surprised if somebody bought a dozen of these and start making a massive diorama of that. Because also, the X-wing can be purchased separately, as well as the TIE fighter, and this is not the TED, the Darth Vader starfighter, which right now escapes my mind. What was it called? I think it's the TIE Advance. That's right, because I'm actually confusing it with the TIE Avenger from the video game of X-wing. You could display the X-wing on its own specific stand right there. You have all the decals, so you could either make it red 2, red 3, or red 5. Clearly, we're going to use the decal. We're going to use for the red 5 one. Yeah, this is $3,600 yen, but here you'll probably pick it up for 40 bucks. Yeah, I am really excited to build this. This is going to be for Mosquitocon. Let's open this up. Now, guys, planning to get this. I don't know if Barnes & Noble has it. I bought this at the show, so maybe Barnes & Noble has it. I don't know if Gundam Planet has it. It'd be nice if they did. Alright. First up we got is the decals. Oh, these are stick. They're stick. Please tell me there's water slide in there. Please tell me. Alright, so we have the X-wing right here. Good detail on that for the size. And we have the base here with actually a stand, the turret, another base here. These were all the combination of other bases from the other kits, so that's cool because you could see the leftover part here. Oh yeah, there's a lot of nice detail here. This is the wall. I think I just saw that in the picture. Here are the connectors, of course. And here is the manual. Don't tell me that those stickers is what it comes with and no water slides. You gotta be bugging. Really, Bandai? I am shocked on my part. Well, that means I'm going to have to paint it, though. No big deal. It should be easy. Let's review the manual. Okay, so here's the manual. And here are all the parts here. You see one of the parts is not required for the assembly of the Death Star surface. Some smaller parts as well, especially the stands. There's going to be a lot of leftovers here. Can't believe they introduced a sticker. But anyway, in this section here, it's the detailed instructions on building the X-Wing. Even though this is a small kit, it has a lot of small parts. And of course that stand that I believe is on, I have the same stand like that on my small little Death Star kit. So the Death Star surface, I see the parts here on what to connect and how to connect it. The assembly of the turbo laser to be placed on the tower, and the turbo laser itself is a surface plate, so you don't need to put it on top of another plate. And then how to assemble it and how to put it together and how to expand it out for both the flat surface and the side wall. And as you can see, you have the option of, you know, if you have the 1/44 scale Y-Wing, which is sold separately, you can put it there as well. Or you could put the TIE Fighter back there, or two, like the TIE Fighter here, and the Darth Vader's TIE Advance here. And of course, what to do to paint and put on the stickers. I can't believe this has stickers, really. Honestly, why stickers? Is that it? Yeah, I believe so. Well, we're going to make do with what we have and see what we can do. Which, of course, now begs to differ. Does the 1/44 scale X-Wing by itself come without stickers? I'll have to check. Maybe somebody will tell me on this on the chat of this video. So, color guide here, and it's pretty straightforward. We have the body for this, which is gray, which is basically 90% white and 10% light gold gray with a small dose of black. Portions of the body will be red. Russet. I have russet and red, so that could be a good mixture. Another part of the body will be black. Don't know where. Maybe in there. Silver parts. Can't say I know where. Could be the. Doesn't say exactly where. R2-D2. That could be a possibility. Death Star surface turbo laser, white, neutral gray, and black. Alright, that's good to know. So that is for these four colors is for the X-Wing, well, this main color is for this. And we're going to try, I'm going to probably end up top coating the whole, not top coating, base coating the entire Death Star black, and then apply white over it, and then do layers of white and gray, and see if we can get an interesting look to that. See how that works. This should be quick and easy to build and fun to paint, and figure out if I have to mask off this little X-Wing just so it can look like this. We'll see. Alright, with that being said, let's begin assembly of the Death Star attack set. So I'm cleaning up the parts that mix up the X-Wing right now. Removed it off from the tree, and I'm cleaning up all whatever nub marks I find. Now, the one thing I'm noticing here, and this was in the at first I thought, okay, I'm gonna probably detail the canopy, paint the inside, but then I realized this is all you see in the canopy. And I was like, oh, I thought it was going to be a clear part in there, and I guess not. I should have noticed that, I guess, in the overall design, because obviously when you look at this, you see the black and then the gray trims. So I'm going to be probably paint this what was it, black first. Then I'm going to use the masking tape, cut the specific size of the glass, and then repaint it the gray color as what I see there in the manual. But the detail is really small and really nice. Actually, did I just sand this down already? No, I did not. Yeah, there's some really fine detail at this scale, at 148 scale. 144 scale, sorry. Alright, so let me finish this up, and then we're going to do a quick assembly. Alright, so I cleaned up as best as I can with this kit. So let's put it together and see how it looks. I will have to thank myself. I haven't built a X-Wing model kit since, I would say, the late 80s. And you all, for those of you who are of age here watching my video, you guys must have remembered how those model kits were. They were not bad, because, we thought that was the best they can do. Clearly, as years passed, things got better. Alright, let's put this together. So, let me take these little guys and connect them like so. Hold on. So that's like that, that's like that. Alright. Since this thing is so white, I'm starting to see some of the scarrings, parts that I missed with the sanding. I don't want to sand it too much because there's so little detail that I may end up wiping off the detail. Alright, so that's good. Then we take this, put that here, no, the other side, like that. Then we do the same thing on the flip side. Then we do the other. Come on, get in there. Oh, they're unique. Ingenious. I see one little part there that I forgot to remove. There we go. Now, these. Whoa. Here we go. Okay, I think they're unique also. Yep, that goes there. And nope. That one goes there too. Repeat. Alright, so we got both of them on. And then there's a little guide hole there. Push it all the way in. Come on, get in there. There we go. There we go. No, there will not go. Hold on a second, I gotta... Am I doing something wrong? Yes, there we go. Now that's better. Now that's better. Alright, so with that, we take the bottom part of the fuselage, put that here. I'll take the top, and then close it up. The canopy goes here. The back part goes like that. And then we have this part. Again, this is a little weird. It's all like part. It's part specific, so you got to be very careful. And I think it's this one. I removed these parts, but I'm not seeing where in the manual to put them on, unless I missed something. I'll find out soon. Yeah, let me just go back. I'll go back a page. Oh, I see where the... okay, I made a mistake. These little parts, I thought it was something on the outside. I didn't realize it was on the inside. There. But I can get to those in a minute. I think I can. Come on. Get... ugh. There we go. Maybe I should glue them on. Now, can I actually get this in there? I may have to take the whole thing apart, but... let me see. Alright, this is going to take... I'll put this on later. So there's the X-Wing. That is really nice. Very detailed. Check that out.